This is a dryer lint vac attachment. So it actually comes taken apart. So there's 3 pieces. It's very easy to assemble. So what this does is it cleans inside the lint vent here in your dryer. So what you would do first is you take this out, clean this yourself. And so most vacuums and things cannot get in here to get all the residual lint that kind of builds up in your dryer. I was always thinking, okay, I need to get somebody to really come and clean it for me. And then I saw this and I was like, ooh, I'm gonna do this myself. So it attaches onto I would imagine any vacuum. This particular one is a Dyson. So you just stick the end of it in, and I put it in as far as it goes. But this is kind of flexible, so I'd imagine you can kind of stretch it if your hose is a little bit larger. So I'm not going to actually turn it on. I'm just going to demonstrate. So this, just to be clear, this is just an attachment for your vacuum. But it's nice because it's long and it's flexible, so you really can get in there. Like I didn't even know it was this deep, actually. I just did this. I was too excited. I couldn't wait to actually do it on the video. But I did this, and I can show you how much came out of here, which I was actually really surprised. So this is going to be my new cleaning practice. I'm probably going to do this about once a week, maybe once every other week, to really get in here and clean. And the nice thing, too, is your exterior vent for this as well. I did that, too. I went outside with this, and I went into the little flap and got some lint out of there as well. So highly recommend, definitely check it out. I think I'm excited about this because I like getting things extra clean. So definitely check it out.